Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the FDC. This is the FDC Mentor, guys, and I go by the name of Kamponsala, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to take a quick review, guys. A quick review on our previous trades that we really planned, guys. Because as FDC company, guys, we really do plan our trades, then we execute them, guys. We do not waste time on things like that, guys. So if you could still remember, I spoke about this currency proof, which is a Euro GBP. It was right there, guys. So then we took a sell right there, of which it was our TP, of course, guys. We really managed to capitalize on this pair, ladies and gentlemen. So now I'm going to move to another pair, which was AUD USD, guys. So today, guys, I really wanted to go live, guys, on YouTube. So it turns out that my laptop was giving me serious problems. So, guys, I had to at least do another video. So as you know, guys, when I'm making videos, guys, I end up giving out a signal, guys. So now, right here, guys, if you could still remember, we capitalized on this pair from right at the beginning, guys, of which we used the sell stop right here, guys. That gave us sales, guys. So we made at least 0.58 percentage, guys. This is the amount in percent that we have made, guys. So now we're waiting for the market to cross below this strong zone right here, guys. We're waiting for the market to cross below this strong zone right here, guys. So we're waiting for it to give us a bearish to the downside, then come again with a correction before we could take a trade to the downside, guys. So it is how it is uh with uh with AUD USD, guys. So today I really wanted to go live on YouTube. So it turns out the laptop, my laptop actually was giving me problems, so I couldn't make it. So that's why I decided to do what to go to upload a video on YouTube right there, guys. But you know how it ends, guys. I end up giving out the signal. You know how it is. So I'm really happy to those people who watched the video and ended up taking the signals that I have discovered, guys. So I have to move to gold, guys. To be honest, gold has been taking yo has been testing our patience, guys. Gold has been testing our patience, guys. So if you could still remember the video that I uploaded last week Sunday, I think I said we should be waiting for a correction right there, guys. Of which we really got a correction. So we took a sell from right here, guys, up until this point. So now I'm still expecting more sells to the downside, guys. So for today, I'm just going to focus on Euroshare, uh, NZD and also AUD CAD, guys. So let me quickly move to those pairs, guys. Let me quickly move to those pairs. AUD share with AUD share. This is what we're having right here, guys. Let me just lay it, ladies and gentlemen. So we really need to spot our support and resistance before we could go deeper into the charts, guys. So as you can see, this is what we're having right here. We're having our support and resistance. Why am I saying that? It's because of that the market has been moving from here, guys, up until right here, then it went down again, then decided to go up. It has been moving in the ranging manner. So what we're expecting here, we're expecting buys, guys. Why am I saying that? It's because of that we're having multiple touches right at the bottom, of which it is of course like first, second, and third touches. So on the upside, guys, we're having first here, second touch right here, and a third touch. But I wouldn't say that this was a first touch right here. what's happening right now. I wouldn't say this is a first touch right here because the market didn't really touch this sub resistant level. It didn't touch that sub resistant level, guys. So now we're expecting buys from here up until this side, guys. So let me just go in, guys. Let me just zoom in so we could see what's really happening, guys. So we have to move to at least like an hour. We have to move to at least an hour time frame, H1 time frame, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how we're going to analyze it. This is how we are going to analyze it. This is how it is, guys, with AUD chef, guys. As you can see now, we're having a what? We're having a clear correction, guys. This was a it was an impulse. Then this one is a correction. Now waiting for what? For impulse move to the upside, guys. This is what we're waiting for. So let me just zoom in a little bit so I can see what's really like going on right here, guys. Yes, this is what we're saying, guys. This is what we're saying. As you can see that the market moved into what, from an impulse direction to a correction one. Now waiting for what, for impulse to the upside. This is what we're waiting for. So I might say this already is a setup that is ready, guys. From here we might take our entries, guys, from right there, guys. So when the market, let's say the market goes up right there, so it decides to what, to give us a small correction. That is when we are supposed to enter the buys. We are supposed to enter buys from here, guys. This is what I'm saying. I'm seeing an entry right here, guys. This is a less risk entry. This is a less risk entry, guys. From here up until there, guys. This is how I see it, guys. So moving into the another currency pair, we have like AUD CAD. We have AUD CAD. We have AUD CAD. So if you guys you are aware, guys, AUD CAD was moving in a manner of like, let's say, if you could check AUD USD, guys, you will see that it looks the same, guys. It looks the same because it was moving in the same direction. It was moving in the same direction, guys. This is something like that, guys. So right there, guys, let's move to this point right here, guys. As you can see now, this is a what, it's a ranging, is a ranging structure, guys. So the market hasn't crossed our what, hasn't crossed below our small our small our small resistance, our small support right here, guys. So now what I should say is that we should wait for at least the market to go to the upside, give us a correction before we could take a trade. This is what I'm expecting right here, guys. This is what I'm expecting right here. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to move to the downside, then go up again in a correction manner. So we could what? So we could get a trade of a sell. So we can get a sell trades, guys. So to go to the 90% rule, of which is this area right here, of which is this area right there. So now I have to move to what? I have to move to AUDJPY. I have to move to AUDJPY, guys. I have to move to AUDJPY. So let me just clean it, guys. Let me just clean it so you can see how I spotted it. Let me just go to H4. In H4, guys, what I'm seeing is this. This is what I'm seeing right there, guys. With what? With in AUD, this is what I'm seeing. So I have to spot our support and resistance again, guys. Inside the what? Inside the chart. Inside our trend line, guys. This is what I'm expecting, guys. This is what I'm also seeing. So I have to move to what? I have to move to H1, guys. So you can see an entry. What I'm saying is a little bit of a correction right there, guys. So let me just cater the highs and lows of this certain area, guys. So this is what I'm seeing right there. This is what I'm saying. Maybe we might be seeing the market going up, creating some sort of a correction before it could give us a what a top touch right there. Then if it moves down, we'll be seeing that we'll be having sales right there, guys. So because you can see now we're having how many touches? We're having like first touch right there. We're having first touch right there, second one right there, and we're waiting for what? We're waiting for a third touch right there, guys. This is what we are waiting for, a third touch right there, guys. So at the bottom we have like first, we have like second, guys. This is what we will be like expecting, guys. So according to me, guys, I only enter the sales when the market gives us a what, a clear sell. When the market gives us a clear sell, guys, up until right here. This is when I'll be saying that okay, now we're having like the sells, guys. This is what I'll be saying, guys. So now we have to move to another currency pair, of which it is AUDJPY. It is AUDJPY. Let me just also like clean it. Wait a minute. So I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah, the next currency, it is It is Eurochef. It is Euro CHF, guys. So as you can see, this pair, guys, is like clear to me. It is like clear to me. As you can see right there, we are about to be having a double bottom, guys. We are about to be having a double bottom right here. So then we know how it is, man. We always have to what to spot our highs and lows, guys. We have to spot our highs and lows before we could what before we could take trades, guys. We must know when where to enter and where to exit, guys. We must know where to enter and where to exit. This is what we're having, guys. We're having like first touch right there, second touch right there, and this one was a clear what a clear third touch. So same applies, guys, at our what our resistant trend line. We have like first, second, and third touch right here, guys. So obviously that what we should be waiting for, guys, it should be a clear buy, guys. What we should be waiting for is a confirmation for the clear buys. So it is how it is, guys. Let me just go to at least like H1 or maybe 30. Let me start with 30 minutes. It's warm now. It's warm. Okay. This is H1, guys. This is an H1, and it is clear, guys. It is clear. I don't even need to analyze it, but then I'll have to analyze it. You see? So now we're having like first touch right here, second, and third touch. Because this is what is a clear double bottom. It's a clear double bottom, which confirms what it confirms clear bias. It gives us like clear bias right here, guys. So once we have a what a clear double bottom right here, guys, we should what we should enter our bias. We should enter our bias, guys. Once we have a what a clear double bottom with a what with a confirmation candlestick, guys, of which is a bullish candlestick. It is what it is with what you achieve, ladies and gentlemen. So we have to move to another one, of which is what of which it is NZDJPY. It is NZDJPY, guys. So with NZDJPY, guys, I'm not sure that we might be having buys because AUD, guys, might be selling, guys. NZD AUDJPY might be selling. So if an AUDJPY is selling, so NZDJPY is supposed to sell, guys. So that's where I'll end the video, guys. So be sure, guys, to watch this video, guys. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, guys. And also, guys, for more follow-ups, guys, you can quickly like link in my Telegram group, guys, of which it is in my description below, guys. Thank you very much and have a beautiful night. Thank you. Bye.